what's up you guys, it's Kodux41. What you guys been up to? Anything fuck fresh, anything new, anything excited? Well, right now you guys, I'm just heading to work, so talk to you guys when I'm done work. Hey guys, so right now you guys, I am going to the second base. I'm gonna be driving a bus down there. So that is what's going on. It's gonna be fun. And we are going to the second base to pick up another bus and switching buses. So that's what's going on, you guys. Guys, we are having baked potato, and we have broccoli and cauliflower, and we have chicken. You got cheese?
Uh-huh.
Is it good?
Uh-huh.
Cheese is really good? Yeah. What other things do you have?
I
Do you want more cheese?
cheese and done.
What is that, Grace?
You're eating your broccoli with the wrong end of the fork.
Wrong way!
That's crazy! You try the other way, silly girl.
So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up. Good night.